Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and in this video, we're gonna be getting creases out of some Gucci shoes. So you're not gonna want to miss this video. Check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty Restoring Kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
Real quick, guys, before we go into the video, I just want to say thank you for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. I did not think I was gonna get to 1,000, especially because I kind of stopped for a little bit, and I did this not even a full year yet. It's probably been about 10 months since I started this YouTube channel, and you guys already got me to 1,000 subs. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna start posting more content for you guys and try to be more consistent on that, because I know you guys like it. You definitely are engaging on all my videos with comments, even on my Instagram page, which I will be more active on as well. So again, if you have any questions, all of that, put it in the comments. I'm gonna reach out to you guys. But I just want to give you guys a big thank you for getting me to 1K, and it's only up from here. So here's the rest of the video. All right, guys, so I got a pair of Gucci shoes. They were a little beat up, and I decided to restore them. Before, the bottoms were very yellow. I got all that yellow out. And guys, just like in my other videos, it's the same thing. You can ice pretty much anything that has like a white sole like this. So I literally put, I actually used Salon Care 40 for that. I used Salon Care 40, and I put that all on the bottom, iced it up, and it only took one session, probably 6 hours, and yeah, it all came out. So after that, that was pretty much the biggest flaw with these shoes. And then I had to clean the laces, which the laces aren't in obviously right now. And then the last thing is these creases. So these creases are definitely noticeable, okay? Definitely got some big creases there. So we're gonna work on getting these out on this leather. That way you guys can, do it on yours. I've done one other video before of getting creases out, and so I want to do another one on it. Again, I use a steamer. You can also use an iron. I use a steamer, and in the description, I'll let you know exactly what steamer I use. You can get it right on Amazon. And all you do is you take a wet, damp washcloth, so not like soap, but just a damp washcloth. Put it over the top. Make sure you stuff the shoe with socks or something that you can stuff it with. If you have a shoe tree, you can put that in it, but if you don't, just use socks. Make sure it's puffed up. And then we're gonna put the washcloth over top, and then we are going to take the steamer and we're gonna go around trying to get all these creases out. And then you guys are gonna see the difference, okay? So let me just show you the before again. There's the before, and let's get right into it. All right, guys, so the first step, we're gonna take our socks and we are going to stuff the shoe and try to get the creases out that way, so where it's just flat and back to like a regular toe box. And then we're gonna work on, you're gonna see the crease marks. There's not gonna be as many grooves, it's just gonna be the creases showing, and then that's what we're gonna be trying to get out. As you can see, like, I made it tighter, so now you can see where all the creases were, and that's what we're gonna be working on getting out. Massage it, guys. I didn't put it even on for long. I only did it for probably like 10 seconds. It's really hot. Massage it, try to form the shape back. I don't press down too hard. I'm just trying to fill in kind of those creases. And we'll do it again. And the key is to keep this stuffed even when you're done. You want to keep this stuffed. I keep it like this for like a day I mean, you can take this off, but keep the shoe stuffed with the sock for like at least a day. That way it can form back that shape, or else it's just gonna go back and get like deflated, and you're gonna see, you know, the big gaps in between. That's what we don't want. So, okay, take this off right now. Oh yeah, you can already tell. So like the creases in here, like I can see them still. Like we gotta work a little bit on this outside. This is the tough part right here, because it's hard to stuff that area. But if you look on top, guys, a lot of it's going away. You can still see a little bit of like the paint and the way it's kind of creased, I guess. But it is like definitely going way down than where it was before. I mean, cause look at, I know it's stuffed right now, but this is what's gonna end up looking like. But look at the difference, okay? Look at, this is it now, this was it before, okay? Big difference. I know the sock's in there right now, but you know, once we take the sock out, so look, I just took the sock out, sock is out. See, big difference. This is the new, this is the old, okay? Now I'm not officially done because I'm gonna keep working on it, and like I said, keep this stuffed, okay? So I'm gonna put the sock back in, and we want it to keep that shape so we can go down and get back to this. All right, guys, so the end result, here it is. Creases are out. There's still a little bit there. Again, I can keep going over it, and eventually it's gonna loosen up. But I'm just trying to show you guys exactly how to do it, and the steps you guys can do towards getting your creases out. It doesn't take long. You can get this out. Like I said, probably take 30 minutes. Just keep doing it, and massaging the leather and stuff like that. Now, I am gonna go out there and say you will not get this 100% where there's no creases. It's not possible, because you've already started a crease at some point. It's hard to get all of that out, and I don't think it's possible because you've already stretched the fabric or the leather, whatever it is. So, but this is the best way, so where you can kind of get those away a little bit to where it still looks like the shoe's in good condition. Now, with that being said, like I said, right now the socks are still in it. I'm gonna let this sit for about a day. I can take the socks out right now and just show you. Take the socks out, it still looks the same right now. And this is how we want it to stay, and it will stay like this as long as I keep the socks in there, and probably keep it for about a day. That way it molds to this shape, and it knows, you know, it wants to stay like this and not go back to the state it was in earlier. So I'm gonna stuff the shoe back in, okay? Or the sock back in. All right, guys, so that is how you get creases out of a pair of Gucci's, pair of leather shoes, whatever shoes you want to do it on. That's how you get your creases out. Like, it's the easiest method right there. It doesn't take too long. Anyone can do it. Again, it's not gonna get them out 100%, but it will get them out pretty good to where you can make these shoes look good when you wear them out. But that's all I got for you guys today. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please put them in the comments down below. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. And lastly, if you enjoy this channel and you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So it's Scotty Restores Kicks, and you want to get these creases out, do everything I just said, and you'll get them out. See you next time.